This is a demonstration of the AI-DAPT data cleaning engine. Reliable AI starts with reliable data. The data cleaning engine improves data quality by detecting, correcting, and documenting missing values and anomalies. It is a tool used within the Dave Pipeline Manager as part of the end-to-end AI workflows. This approach provides flexibility and supports human-in-the-loop actions, allowing users to configure, inspect and validate data cleaning steps within the pipeline. Let's see it in action.
This is a demonstration for the data cleaning engine of AI-DAPT. For the demonstration, we have created a workflow in Dave, the pipeline manager of AI-DAPT. First, we have an operator that loads the data. In the alpha version, data cleaning engine handles time series and easy tasks for tabular data. In this example, we use a CSV which we will inspect in the next step. Data cleaning engine supports two tasks, error detection and data imputation. We have used two operators, one per task. Let's now execute the pipeline. First, we see that the loading operator is running, and after it's finished, we can inspect the data. We see that in the first rows we have 4 values, 2 per column, that are outliers and should be flagged by our system. Now it is time for the detection task. DCE is a human-in-the-loop operator, meaning that after the task is triggered, we will visit a separate UI to configure and inspect the results. Here, in the UI of DCE, we select our running job. Then we select the type of the data, the type of the task, and the method we want to use. Then we select which columns we want to affect, and we click Submit. The request is successful. Now let's inspect the results. We can see that we have 4 rows that have been found by our method, which are the outliers that we saw earlier. We can select some of the results to approve them, or we can approve them all for now. Now, back in the pipeline manager, we see that this task is also marked as completed, and we move on to the imputation task. Similarly, we select the imputation job, the type of the data, now the imputation task and the corresponding method, and we click Submit. Now again we see that our method has imputed the 4 missing values, but let us now remove one before clicking Save. This was the last task in the pipeline, so the whole pipeline is now finished. Let's now inspect the results. These were the original data, where we had 4 outliers. These are the data after the detection, where we see the 4 empty values. And these are the data after the imputation, where we see that we have 3 imputed values and 1 missing, since this is the one we did not approve.